All right, today, this video, it's kind of an interesting one. It's probably a couple days mixed together here. Been moving really slow, but went through Astoria, looked for the Goonies, the jailhouse. I didn't go up to the actual Goonies house because I've been there before. It's a pretty steep incline. With all the gear and stuff, I didn't really want to go up there, but I remember going up there years and years ago and did the truffle shuffle on the front porch and pissed off the lady who owns the house. But I found the jail cell, went across a pretty awesome bridge. Hopefully the GoPro captured that. I think I was running out of SD card at that point. That's kind of been my issue here shortly or lately is video storage and the time it takes to set up and to edit and to all these things. But carving up into Washington, I found myself on some amazing roads and amazing natural beauty everywhere. Was able to fly the drone again. Pretty excited, pretty awesome stuff. Enjoy. I'm enjoying a breakfast of oatmeal with a fire on my REI seat. I think I brought too much shit, to be honest with you. But hey, the plight of every BMW GS owner ever, maybe. Comfort is the name of the game, right, for good sleep, but something's got to give. There's a lot of stuff. But I'm sleeping super well, and I've never in all my life slept in a tent and felt comfortable. Definitely getting good sleep. So my sleep system's perfect. It does take up some space, but it's worth it. That's the rest of the stuff that I don't really, well, I need some of it. Got to figure it out, one day at a time. This bike, I think, symbolizes me, and maybe some of you. It's bogged down with a bunch of stuff, and it's heavy, and it just drains me. It wears me out. Like my mind, my body, my soul, it's just weighed down. The trick is, I've got to figure out what to unload, how to unload it. What do I need? What do I want? What am I trying to do? What's my purpose? And those aren't easy questions, even though it seems like it should be. This road trip is exactly what I needed. It's exactly what I need. And I can't wait to see where it takes me. I'm headed to Olympia to recharge the batteries and dump a bunch of gear, and should be good, much needed in that sense. It's been a long day for sure, and I guess just a lot of drama happening in my own personal life, and I'm trying to figure out how to sort through that, how to process it, how to compute it all, I guess, right? I mean, there's a lot I'm not telling you, and there's a lot that has yet to be said, but I get the idea or the sense that a lot of us are kind of going through a lot of the same type of stuff. Just kind of like a mental awakening is occurring, and it's a shift in gears, and it takes a lot of effort and energy, and midlife crisis, whatever you want to call it, it's a crisis, right? Like, it's just, there's conflict somewhere that needs to be resolved in order to get past that crisis. So fun stuff. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. If you made it this far, I'd love if you subscribed, hit that thumbs up button. That'll help the channel. I'd like to be able to grow this channel a little bit more. You can follow me on Instagram. It's at deadheadxxx. And yeah, it's been a good day overall. Overall, it's been really good. And just trying to take value where value's had. So anyways, back to the road.
Na zdrowie.
Yeah, this is Peter from Poland. And
Yes,
I
I'm driving bicycle, but I can do this 6.7, so
yeah,
it's good.
it's okay. He's riding on a bike. Where'd you start at?
From Seattle,
Seattle?
Bay, and now I'm going to San Diego. Yep.
San Diego.
San Diego. Yep.
Very good. Very good. Next, he's going to do the motorcycle ride.
Peace always.
Peace always. All right, let's fly.
Na zdrowie.
Salute. No zdrowie.